Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy independent databases in Notion, and make sure you're setting them up for maximum flexibility in future editing. By the end of this step-by-step guide, you'll be able to duplicate any database in Notion and move it wherever you want, without breaking links or losing data. It's a simple process, but it's important to get every step right so you maintain a truly independent database that you can keep editing, customizing, and building from. Let's dive right in. First, go to the Notion page where you have your database. Now, a quick tip here: databases in Notion can look like tables, boards, lists, calendars, you name it. So just make sure you're looking at the right database before you begin. Once you've found it, you'll see a small icon with 6 dots on the top left corner of the database. This is Notion's universal handle for moving or selecting blocks. Go ahead and click those 6 dots. What this does is essentially selects the entire database block, which is important because you want to copy the whole thing, not just a single row, column, or random content. Now with the database selected, it's time to copy it. All you need to do is press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. That's the classic copy shortcut, and for Mac users, just use Command+C instead. If you're on mobile, things work a little differently, but for most people on desktop, this shortcut is your best friend. Once you hit Ctrl+C, Notion quietly grabs every detail, all properties, views, and filters, so your new database will be an identical twin, fully independent from the original. Take a moment here. If your database is large or has lots of data, it may take a few seconds for Notion to copy everything in the background. Don't worry if nothing seems to happen visually. Notion doesn't show a loading spinner for copying, but it's working, I promise. Next, let's move your database to its new home. Go to the page where you want to place this independent copy. Maybe it's a new workspace, a different project, or even just an experimental sandbox for trying things out. Navigate to that page, click into an empty spot, and then press Ctrl+V to paste the database. Again, Mac users go with Command+V in just a couple of seconds. Notion will paste the entire database block where you're standing, and boom, you'll see the exact same structure ready to use. Now hear why these extra little steps matter. By copying the database block itself, you're creating a totally new database in Notion. It's not linked or synced to your old one, so changes you make here won't mess up your original and vice versa. This is perfect if you want a new project template, a separate tracking system, or just a fresh start. Think of it like duplicating a recipe card. Your original is safe, and your copy is yours to modify however you want. If you notice that your database didn't paste correctly or it's missing some data, just try the process again. Sometimes Notion gets a little fussy, especially with very large databases. And don't stress, your original database will always be there if you need to start over. That's all there is to it. You've just mastered how to copy independent databases in Notion for 2024. If this guide helped you out, go ahead and give the video a like. Drop any questions below. I'm always happy to help troubleshoot specific Notion problems. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more clear, practical Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.